even myself, Gesana, I can't believe I'm doing this for the second time, but we learn, baby, because I'm also just trying to get used to vlogging with my camera. I mean, it can't be in the cupboard forever, so yeah, I'm starting afresh with this intro because I wasn't looking at the lens, and hopefully I am right now. Oh my gosh, so worried about how this is gonna turn out, but let's just do it. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am Tetfu, Mahlalela. If you're here for the first time, please feel at home and enjoy, and if you're a regular baby, you know I've got endless love for you. Yes, I am in my sleepwear. I just woke up and it is a vlog, baby, episode 2 of our Uni Diaries. So today I'll be just taking you guys with me to campus. You've already seen me cleaning the room. Now I'm gonna quickly go shower, maybe make something to eat, and then we'll be good to go. I don't think I'll take you with me when doing all of those things because I'm already running late. So yeah, let's get into the video, and please like guys, because I think you tend to forget to like. You just watch the video, I see the views, but there's no engagement, child. You don't comment, you don't like it. I mean, the least you can do is to like it, right? So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the outfit I am going with today. There's nothing much to it, but there's so much about the girl wearing it, child. So yeah, we are off to Chemis. I won't be taking you guys with me because, as I said, we are already late, baby, and I'm just gonna try to be quick. Toodles. Babies, I am attending my first class right now. To be honest, I am so mad because I hate waking up in the morning, but we here. And guess what's popping right now? Your sister is struggling to focus on this online class that I'm attending because, darling, are you seeing these items? These items are hot. Also, if you know me, you know I'm a lover of thrifting. So just haven't been focusing on what I should be doing, which is my class, and I'm busy chopoling there. But yeah, finances are like, baby girl, you are forced to actually focus on your work, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm actually planning to go to the library after this, so yeah.
Tetfu, Mahlalela.
So right now I am taking a break. It's actually an unplanned break, but I guess it was necessary. Yeah, so what happened is that I needed a pencil. So yeah, I don't know anyone around. I had to come here at the mall to get it, and then I decided let me just grab something to eat so that I am fit for my next section. So yeah, that's what's up. Hi guys, so I just came back from the coffee shop. Oh my gosh, it's so awkward vlogging. People are moving around. I'll show you guys my view, but anyways, so I just came back from the coffee shop and I'm taking a breather, and then I'll go back to the library and push, because today we are all about productivity, baby, and nothing can stop us. Yeah.
The next day.
Hi guys, welcome. So it's a new week and I'm on campus. So yeah, it's a Monday. I just finished attending my last class and today we going for grocery shopping. So yeah, let's do that. Hey my loves, I just came back from the mall. I couldn't take you guys with me throughout the shopping because I'm the one who has to push the trolley and it would just be a lot. Also, I have to refer to my phone for the list. So yeah, but we do have a haul. So I'll show you guys what I got because I think you guys can like plan a thing or two about saving. Yeah, I think I did quite well. Like I did save some money. I managed to get most of the things that I needed. Yeah, so yeah, let me show you guys what I got. But before that, let me show you guys how I looked today because I think I looked cute. So let's do that. So this is how I look. Oh, okay, let me quickly wear my shoes so that you guys can see the full look. Face card never declines. Let me just come back with a full fit. Yeah, shall we? So this is the full fit. Okay, you guys know this bag, but yeah, and these are the shoes. Let me show you from this point of view, but yeah. Errands. Right now I'm having my first meal of the day, and I think I'll probably study, maybe go to the library. I'm not sure, or I'll just be working from here. But basically what I'm trying to say is that there isn't much that's interesting that I'd like to show you guys. And also it's a new week, so I'd like to start with a new vlog, meaning we have come to an end of the video, and I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you really did enjoy the video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and share the video. If you're still not subscribed, baby, what are you doing? What are you on about? Anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.
Tetfu, Mahlalela.